Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Current Affairs. So in this video we are going to check out SATO the dog again because they had done a lot of collaborations with footballers as well as Vision Football Club. So we will check it later into the video, but before going further into the video I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So here we are on the website SATO the dog, built on the base chain. You can check out their social media handles are given here. Down here you can check out the introduction. I had given a detailed introduction about the platform and project in the first video, so make sure you watch the first video. In this video I will focus on to their collaborations, so let's give a short overview. SATO Dog is a decentralized meme coin born on base network and originally launched with minimal utility beyond its meme value. After a period of abandonment by the original developers, the product was revived by passionate community of holders who refused to let SATO fade into the obscurity. So this is really amazing thing. Down here you can check out the token supply as well as contract address details are given here. Also you can buy it on Uniswap, CoinGecko as well as CoinMarketCap details are given here. So let's talk about the partnership. So first partnership is done with Vision Football Factory, which is a sports club in England. You can search it onto the Google, check out the address, phone number as well as details are given here. So if you are a football lover, you can see how much audience it will grab into this token because the football lovers are really big in number in the world. So make sure you check this out as well. Also they have not stopped there. They had partnered with Troy Tenney, who is an amazing footballer who play for English professional footballer as a striker, and you can check out the details given here. His stats also shown here. So he is also now partner with the SATO Dog. Also they had not stopped where Harley Dean is another footballer who is now a partner of SATO the Dog product. So this is really amazing. So guys, the team is performing really well. Here you can check out Harley Dean is English professional footballer who plays as a center back. Mostly recently he used to play for EFL League One, club rating and much more. You can check out his position is defender. So this is really good. Coming back to the website, you can check out the SATO gallery as well as SATO NFT details are given here. The frequently asked questions and details are given here. Also, the team has partnered with the charity organization who used to rescue the dogs. So if you're a dog lover, you can participate in that project and save the dogs around the world. Also, you can join their social media handle so that you don't miss any of the update about this project, because developers are continuously doing a lot of partnerships and this project is going viral. So make sure to participate in this project as early as possible and do some own research as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.